Oh, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see what the markets have in store for us. Checking out Bitcoin on the 4 hour. Bitcoin looking really good, pressed up against resistance. If you're in the camp that believes it has not broken out yet. Looking at your daily, there's a lot left to be desired. Kind of is what it is, but the reason why I say if you're in the camp that believes we have not broken out yet is because some people were charting this a lot more like a bull flag based off this wick right here, which if that's the case, we have been broken out for a hot minute. Me personally, I'm a little bit more in the camp of using this wick right here, basically showing we haven't really broken out yet, so we still have the opportunity of getting rejected. Um, it lines up pretty well, so either way is right. Either way, whatever trading style works for you, it's right. But let's go ahead and drop down to your 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin. Currently, your 1 hour stochastic is fully reset. You're sitting in neutral territory. You are above your moving averages, and it does look like we tried to breach through it last night. Looks like we're going for it again. Checking out the heat map. Let's check this out, see what the traders are doing. Why does this always happen? That's crazy. So looking at your 24 hour, if we manage to get up, let's just say to $68,774, we could start seeing those short liquidations piling in. So it does look like they might be trying to defend that, possibly trying to shove the price down before their futures contracts end. We're just going to have to wait and see. Let's go ahead and check the weekly just so we can see what we could have to look forward to on the weekend. We do have a pocket of liquidity sitting right above us right now. So if we can get price to get up to 68,900, we might actually see a more substantial rise. Very interesting time to be in the market, in my opinion. Coming down to the 15 minute, let's start getting into the nitty gritty. Market opens in about 4 minutes. 15 minutes says that we're going to go up. So we're going to see if that happens. We do have a demand line right now. And by the way, for fib retracements, my target is up here at 69,400. So yeah. Hey, yes, 70K fast after dawn. I love the sentiment. Love it. Pump to 70K. It would be nice. Would be really nice. It would also be nice for my trades right now, which would be even better. I am in 2 trades right now. I got out of the Dogecoin trade while it was consolidating because it looked like I saw greener pastures coming. I jumped into StoreJ and Filecoin early this morning. And I haven't regretted it yet. Filecoin has me a little worried, but I think it'll be okay. So yeah, Bitcoin, we need to break this demand line right here. Once we do, we then have the possibility of a lot of upside. If we can actually break above this 68,422, then all bets are off how high we can go. So that 70K could happen. Definitely could happen. We got 3 minutes until market open. So let's get into the 5 minute. Your 5 minute, we are not overbought yet. We are high in the stochastic, so this could go either way, up or down. Kind of cool. Kind of cool to see. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out Ethereum right now. Check out ETH. I was just there. Jeez. Okay, ETH. So looking at ETH on the daily, that is the wrong ETH. Looking at ETH on the daily, you're still sitting in the exact same spot. Talk about getting held down for 3 days straight. That is insane. Oh, my eyeballs. 27.30 today? Today. I mean, that's pretty definite. Possibly could happen. God, my eyes are so irritated right now. Oh, and I don't know where my eye drops are. Terrible time. Terrible time for my eyes. Probably because I'm looking at screens too much in dim lighted rooms. I'm like a gremlin staring at my phone, looking at these charts. Oh man. But I also posted the StoreJ trade in Discord. So anybody in Discord, you saw that? Hopefully you're in on the trade too. It's doing quite well. At least last time I looked at it. So looking at Ethereum on the 4-hour, you are set for upside. Just plain and simple, set for upside, but it does look like some whales are just holding you down, just right in place. It's kind of rough out here for Ethereum. Not gonna lie. We have 1 minute left until market open. Bitcoin does look like it's poised for upside. This is good. This is really good. Going down to your 1 hour for Ethereum, it's fully reset. Ethereum could actually pump today. That's surprising. I haven't seen it reset this fast in a while. It's great. I'm going to need this. So my projection on this one, based off the fib levels, we could see a rally for Ethereum. About a 5.3% rally. That's actually really substantial. So I look forward to seeing if it can pull it off. Then maybe I can stop talking so much trash about Ethereum. Maybe. It's gonna be really hard for me to stop doing that though. It's like word vomit now. It's just constant. Very tight moving averages on your 15 minute. 15 minute is poised to go up. We have the market open. Let's bounce back to Bitcoin. See what's happening. Looks like we're getting a little bit of sell pressure right now. Let's go down to your 3 minute time frame. 3 minute trying to reset, trying to hold support on your 50 simple moving average. Traders are out here and they are trading. Oh, we're in such a weird spot because you could literally just drop straight down to 67.4 and still be hyper bullish. Such a weird spot. That would also liquidate a lot of longs, so hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully not. Hopefully we just start spiking up right now. Looks like we are getting the bids. We are starting to go up. Are we going to break? Are we going to break? I don't know. I do not know. I love market opens because they're just so gosh darn volatile. So gosh darn volatile. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to set an alert to make us come back here if we break 68,033. If we break that, I definitely want to know what's going on, but looks like the sellers are starting to take advantage. Kind of a shame. We don't want them to win. We really don't want them to win. All right, let's go ahead and check out the trade I'm a little worried about. FIL. FIL token, you're going to see exactly what I saw out of this thing because it looks gorgeous right now in its consolidation pattern. So you can see this absolute beauty of a consolidation. We're coming to the end of it. The really nice part on your daily, you're trying to maintain above your 50 simple moving average. So needless to say, this is my type of trade where we can put a very tight stop loss on it. Going to your 4 hour time frame. 4 hour, you're just beaten down. So low. So low. On your stochastic, relative strength, you're neutral. You're sitting right above your 50 simple moving average. You tried to backtest your 100. These are the types of trades I really like getting into because hardly anybody else is staring at it considering you're still in your consolidation pattern. So this is actually a great time to get in. If I do get stopped out, we have another level right down here, supply line that's being formed inside this pattern where I could try again. And then if I did try again down here, I would have a stop loss right below this green line, which is the longer term support line, supply line really. But going down to the 1 hour, this is where my fears were because the 1 hour wasn't looking nearly as good. But what we did have was we had a low right here, lower low in price, higher relative strength. So as soon as I see that hidden bullish divergence and the higher low, I'm expecting price to continue to the upside. That's why I jumped into this trade. That's why I'm hoping it actually holds. Looks like I need to redefine the supply line though, which kind of sucks. I hate having to do that. But as long as we stay above this level, we're good. I do have a very tight stop loss on it. So even if I get stopped out, very minimal losses, but it's fine. Price target on this bad boy is where it gets kind of nasty because you're looking for the breakout of not only this pattern, but also a resistance level at $4.13. So, first price target, $5.47. It's a pretty decent gain from where you're at. So, where we're sitting right this moment to here, that is a 49% gain. that is possible. Could get stopped out though, so we would just miss out on those gains for now. We'll come back for them later. But FIL looking pretty good. Let's go out to StoreJ. Let's see if StoreJ is still doing just as good as it was earlier. It is. Oh, StoreJ. So on the daily, you can see we've had a very great run, but we are currently trying to break resistance right now. This is what I posted inside of the Discord at some weird hour of night because I was just up watching anime and staring at charts. But you can see very clearly on the 4 hour, you reset your stochastic up, pressed up against resistance. Now we're getting that breakout. So my only thought is 91.77 coming in soon. Coming in very soon. Because this is just a continuation of the upside. And if I know anything about StoreJ, StoreJ knows how to pump. It knows how to pump very well. Oh my goodness. Alright, sorry. Daughter's pretty sick right now. Wife's getting ready to leave for work, and she's just giving me the rundown. But she is sleeping right now, so we got some time. Anyways, so looking at StoreJ, we are above resistance right now, but we need that 4 hour candle close, not gonna lie. Checking out your 1 hour, we did get the candle close above resistance. This is very nice to see. So we're a little high on your relative strength. Stochastic's pretty high, but when this thing gets out of hand, it gets kind of wild. 15-minute looking to reset. We do have a very good stop loss based off this trading section right here. As soon as we broke out, that's when I was like, hey, looks like we're actually going to start chugging along, kind of like back here. So you can see back here what happened. You started uptrending, you broke through, kind of wiggled around here, tried to get the back test, never did, and then you took off. So I think it could be something similar to that happening right now. So I'm going to sit in this thing. I'm going to wait for it. I'm going to actually enjoy the gains. Maybe I should say possible gains. Get rid of that, and then we can also put in our new supply line. So if we break below this trend, I'm getting the heck out of this trade. If we get below it. Could be in this trade for a while. Anyways, I'm not hearing any beeps yet, which has me worried about where these trades are. So what is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's hanging out for now. Just hanging out. It's trying to break out. Really, it's trying. We're going to see if it can still get held down. By the way, if you guys have any requests, feel free to drop them in the chat. Bitcoin trying to break out as I speak. This is a very big deal. Very big deal. Here we go. Actually, what was that level we're looking at? 68.8. Let's just raise this up to 68.8. Oh my goodness. It needs to rally a lot. Whoa. So we get the beep around 68.8. You know some shorts are getting wrecked. They're getting wrecked bad if we get up there. And if you look at this as some form of bull flag, it's going to be close. It's going to be close. I guess you would go deeper. Something like that. I have to remember I'm on the 15-minute. It probably looks completely different on the 1 hour. If this is a bull flag type thing and this breakout's real, shorts are about to get squeezed bad. We can all have a moment of silence for them when they get squeezed out. We all can have a moment of silence. Oh. They're going to have to live off top ramen. I Actually, I think a bunch of Top Ramen got recalled recently. I guess Oscar Mayer hot dogs. Maybe that. For the weekend. Of course, not for long term. We looked at Ethereum. Let's check out Solana. See how good Solana looks. My eyeballs. My eyeballs. Come on, eyeballs. Sheesh. Alright, Solana. Let's go ahead and check you out. Solana currently trying to break to the upside as well. We did have this demand line before that we were getting held down by. We've broken out. This could be considered a technical backtest. Solana could be set up for a really, really positive day. 1 hour leaving a lot left to be desired. That's fine though. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hour looks really good. So you can see we were getting held down by this yellow line here. We then back tested as support with the bull flag looking thing. And now we are looking for Solana to possibly rally 13%. This is nice. I feel like my eye drops are like on my desk somewhere. I just have no idea where they are. I really feel like they're around here somewhere. Anyways. So, Solana looking really good on the 4 hour. It does look like your sell pressure on the MACD is waning, starting to go away, but we could very well see this thing tick back up if things go south for Bitcoin. Sometimes this market can get really crazy really fast, especially on a Friday. If there's enough money on the line in the futures, yeah, it looks real bad on a Friday. It's shocking sometimes, but is what it is. I don't think we're going to have that problem this Friday. Remember, only thoughts, never financial advice. Never financial advice. Going back to the store, Jay, we just saw a sharp sell right there. What was that? Just suddenly losing that slight bit of momentum. Okay, sure. We're good still. STX, I was looking at it last night. STX looked very interesting to me because we are breaking out of this downtrend on the 4 hour. Kind of a big deal. You still have room to run on the 4 hour, and you have overhead resistance. We could see STX rally 10% if this is real. Going down to your 1 hour time frame. Oh boy. 1 hour is perfectly set for upside. This is usually something I would post up in the Discord, but those of you who are with me live right now, hey, silver platter, it's set for you. Get a stop loss just below this right here at 1831. You should be in the clear. Should be. We just have to wait and see, but probably should be. Ooh, Solana's going up pretty well. Not bad, not bad. But yeah, STX set up greatly for a 10% rise today. Stefan, good morning. BTC up, up. Yep, looks like BTC is going up, which is great to see. Yeah, this oh my god, it even looks good on the 15. STX. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Stacks. Alright, so we found stacks, not bad. Let's see, what else could be going up? We got Ordi, stacks, rats. Let's check out rats. I'm interested in rats. So, rats, you can see on the 4 hour time frame, we have bounced off of support and the new supply line that has been made. The possibility of a 41% rise is on the table. 4 hour stochastic getting a little high, but relative strength, you are in neutral territory. Not to mention MACD has just gotten a bullish cross. First green candle. That's great to see. So, rats is set up for a ton of upside. Thing you got to worry about this demand line right here. So you want to see if you break out. But at this very second, I'm guessing you're going to go up and test it. Checking your 1 hour time frame. 1 hour is ready to go. And the 1 hour looks even better because you can see you've had a low, lower low, third lower low, triple hidden bullish divergence before they come up and higher low. So very, very easy. Get a stop loss below this wick right here. You should be good. New supply line should be starting right now. Right here. As long as you stay above that line, the trend is your friend. Rats looking great for upside. This upside potential, so you're looking short term right here to get a 13% rise. Longer term, I know that Stefan's in here, so I better check out for like really high leverage real quick. But longer term, you're looking at 36% upside. If it starts getting a little buck wild out here, you could see it continue all the way up 66%. So rats, it looks really good. I'm not personally in this trade right now, but it is set up greatly for a trade. 15-minute looking phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Only downside, you have not broken this very short-term downtrend that you have been in. You have not broken this. Maybe you can argue that it's like down here and you did break out because of this wick right here, but better safe than sorry. You are above your 200 simple moving average, no big deal. Going out to the 5-minute. Now with small altcoins like this, I usually do not go below the 5-minute just because it gets a little weird with the volatility. You end up seeing a lot of gaps. I don't like gaps, hate them, but I personally would be waiting for the stochastic to reset before I even tried jumping into a high leverage trade on rats. That's just my personal thing. You're still not overbought on your 5-minute, so it could continue to the upside. But we're going to have to wait and see what happens. The argument is there that is currently broken out of your demand line. So, that one's for you, Stefan. I know you're out here with the crazy high leverage and stuff. That one's for you. Let's check out Sats real fast. This is what I'm talking about. These gaps. I hate the gaps. But checking out Sats. So Sats is also directly affected by Bitcoin, and since Bitcoin currently is up 1%, 0.9%, we're going to be looking for that. Stefan, no problem. So looking at Sats looks really, really nice where it's sitting. The only thing I really dislike, on your daily, you're underneath your 200, your 100, and your 50. You're underneath everything. You're not holding any type of support. You're in like no man's land. If you can get above those moving averages, that would be great. You're also bearishly back testing the 200. I don't like that. I really don't. This looks like it could fall, but considering you are in an uptrend and Bitcoin looks bullish, probably not going to fall. I just don't like the way it looks right here. Checking out the 4-hour time frame. Now your 4-hour, I also don't like. I don't like that your stochastic got so high off a very menial movement. That's not fun to see. Sometimes I just feel like my right eye, I just want to rip it out. Oh boy, it's so bad. Especially in the morning. Maybe I need more water. Probably need a lot more water. Oh yeah, I haven't had my trace minerals yet. By the way, any of you looking to like hydrate properly, trace minerals on Amazon, fantastic. Fantastic. Just my little tidbit for the day. Anyways, does look like we are trying to uptrend on Sats. We do have a little, I guess we do have a little supply line here. Maybe it holds, maybe it doesn't, but you can see the higher lows, higher highs. So if this thing does get moving, by the grace of something, the trading gods, 23% upside could happen, and anywhere between 23 to 46%. A lot of upside. That's actually a lot of upside. That's kind of cool. So, also from its falling wedge back here, measured move is 426%, getting you up to the 6354 level. And we're already up trending, so you're kind of expecting it to get a break to the upside sometime in the near future, maybe, if Bitcoin can hold up. Bitcoin's currently pulling back. Makes me worried about my trades once again. This morning volatility, I'll tell you. Maybe it's my glasses. My eyes seems to be doing better without the blue light glasses, which they're meant to protect my eyes. I don't get it, but whatever. It's fine. It's fine. No big deal. Not gonna worry about it. We gotta check out Bitcoin Cash as well. Bitcoin Cash is doing terribly. I thought it would be doing way better because Bitcoin was up. Ouchie. Thought it'd be doing way better. It's pulling back. Bitcoin is trying to go up still, but man, that's sell pressure. It's tough. It is tough. Bitcoin Cash, you are still broken out. But the thing that worries me about this is no one has this much time to get into a long. So, Javen, thank you so much for the sub. How are you doing today? Welcome in. If you have any requests, feel free to drop them in chat or just say hello. I appreciate it all. So Bitcoin Cash, we are still just hanging out in this territory. It reminds me a lot of Near Protocol, which I'm still bitter about because I was in that trade for 3 days and then all of a sudden it dropped. This is looking a lot like that. I don't like to say that, but we're being held down completely by 379. If we can get above this 379 level, 450 will happen fast. What do I mean by that? What happened last time? You broke above it, you shot straight up to 450. Right there. And then if we go back into the past, what happened? You broke, you shot straight up. You fell straight down, you went right back up. Came down right back up. So this little area, it's kind of normal for Bitcoin Cash to just fly straight up to 450 if you can break above that 379. We're just patiently waiting for it. Very patiently. So there's that. Checking out Dogecoin. So Dogecoin actually looking very strong, setting outside of its consolidation pattern. I would not be surprised if it continues to the upside. However, we already are putting in our first signs of hidden bearish divergence. You can see on the 4 hour, we are. So you can see a high here, lower high, higher in price. I'm not saying we can't go up to 18 cents. I'm just saying the hidden bearish divergence is already forming. So be cautious. Checking out the daily. I need my relative strength here. Relative strength is jumping into that overbought territory. So maybe we just consolidate right above this little pattern here before we start getting that next leg higher. Maybe. If Elon tweets one word, maybe he says Doge by accident, you're going to see this thing fly up 35%. You'll just see it boop straight up. So hopefully Elon says something while we're already overbought. Get some short squeezes going. Would be nice. I know somebody's like, who's shorting Doge? You know people are shorting Doge. You know it. That's why the price is getting held down. You know what's happening. We do have a new demand line right here. So if Doge can break above this demand line, we are looking for that next leg higher. It does look like it's trying to do it. Trying real hard. What else can we look at? Oh, my Filecoin trade. We're not looking terrible anymore. Let's go, baby. Oh, just so you guys know, I'm actually in the trade. Here it is. We're up 2% on Filecoin, FIL. We're on a 20x leverage. You can see that right here. We're actually in the trade. We're actually in it. Okay? I know how there's some people who are like, oh yeah, I'm totally doing this. Nobody's trading anything. We got money in them on this. We got money in. Same with Storj. I have this weird feeling that the storage type plays, like data storage or data sharing or anything like that, they might do extremely well. Because I was looking into AI and the power consumption that it takes. It's shocking. It makes a lot of sense why Microsoft is buying 3 Mile Island over in New Jersey just so that they can have the nuclear power plant to power their AI. I was like, that's going to take a lot of data. That's wild. So I think things like Storj, Filecoin, heck, maybe Render, maybe GRT, they might actually get really big push-ups just because of how they're set up. I think GRT. I think. But yeah, it's crazy. Like the fact that one little data module or something uses the same amount of energy as an entire household, I was like, damn, that's a lot. So Filecoin, I am looking for this breakout soon. Very short term, we're looking at a 13% rise. Longer term trade, we're looking at this 49% upside. So I'm very hopeful on Filecoin. I'm not hopeful on Filecoin too often. When I saw that information, it made me want to buy File and Storj and Render and Graph, and I can't remember the other ones that do that type of thing, but made me want to buy them. Speaking of Graph, I want to now look at the GRT chart. So GRT, don't tell me, okay, here it is. It's hovering right above it. GRT. Let's go out to your weekly, because I don't know if I charted this one correctly. I did not. No, I did. We're good. I did. So, GRT currently is doing its damnedest to break above the 1641 level. If you do break above that, 29 is coming in quick. Your 200 weekly moving average is sitting right at your measured move of this falling wedge. You could see 190% from down there. So, what's left on it? Looks like 143% upside. Might be worth a trade. Might be. Nice long-term trade to hang on to. And by long-term, for crypto, I mean like this thing should probably clear sometime November, maybe December. Shouldn't actually be that long. I mean, heck, it could clear over the weekend. Honestly, it's all coins are nuts. Checking the daily, you are above your 50 simple. You are trying to stay above your 100 moving average. Very nice. You have higher highs, higher lows. The trend is reversing. Good to see. I do like my trend line, so we are going to mark that out. I do like my trend lines. Oh, we got 2 of them. Sweet. Sweet. So it is starting to go. It's starting to get a little bit more acceleration to it. Love to see that. I would love it even more if you were above 16.9. Maybe by the end of the day we'll get there. Looking at the 4 hour looks nice. Looking at the 4 hour, you are back testing your 100 simple. You're below your 200. That sucks. You're below your 50. That sucks more. But we have this very sharp downtrend that it looks like it's trying to break out of. It's trying hard. Oh, it's trying. It's giving its all. Lower time frame, we might actually see something I love to see. Hold the phone. We might see it. Come on, relative strength. Where are you? Here's the low. Ooh, we do have it. Hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Let's go, baby. That's what I like to see. That right there. And then it's like a megaphone? Nope, it's a wedge. This is actually a falling wedge on the 1 hour. Go figure. Cool. So yeah, today should be a good day for GRT. Who would have thought? Who would have thought we'd find this little gem right here? Let's be real. Nobody looks at GRT anymore. You tapped into oversold territory. Maybe we come down again a little bit, but it's looking like as long as you stay above 1616, you're good. Looking like that is your line in the sand for GRT. And yeah, we have a lot of, because I mean, looking back here, you just went straight up to it. Let's zoom. Let's go back in time a lot further. You broke this level, you fell straight down. Keep going back in time. And you broke this level straight up. Alright, cool. That's all the land before time we need to look at. Great. So, needless to say, we could see a rally. Very strong rally of 82%. I like finding that. I like finding that. Where's Render? Render. USDT. There we go. So, oh, God. What was I doing? Let's get rid of this. It happened. That's the nice part. It happened. Well, let's get rid of all that. What is this? Let's get rid of that, too. Is this thing charted properly? It is. I'm going to get a little mad at myself because I did not pay attention to it. A little mad at myself. Ugh. That sucks. Huh. Interesting look. Render. Interesting look. So, thing I do like about Render, you did have this demand line that we are currently broken out of, but we also are below resistance at $5.40. So, that's a little disappointing. A little bit disappointing. A lot left to be desired there. But we did try to break out once, came back down, setting higher lows. That's what you need to take away. Higher high, higher high, higher lows. So the trend is going the right direction. Yeah, when it looks like this, it's hard to... Maybe we'll just get rid of that wick. Yeah, we'll do that. That looks right. Alrighty, so Render actually is set up for a lot of upside right now. You're sitting in neutral territory on the daily. It looks like your MACD is ready to start pushing a little bit to the upside. Maybe get some positive momentum in here. Could be useful. You are below your 50 simple moving average and your 100, but they're very close together, which is nice because then it gives you a chance to like jump above both of them to then go try and test the 200. Looking at your 4 hour. 4 hour is looking like it's ready to go up. You just broke out of your short-term demand line. That's fantastic to see. So, midterm here, I'm looking at the possibility of testing the 695. So, from here, you're seeing a 30% rise. Is possible. You would have to stay above this wick low down here. Oh, you have 4 hour hidden bullish divergence as well. Cool. Feemite21. Thank you so much for the follow. Hey streamer, I've been really enjoying your content, which is why I'm part of your squad. I noticed you're facing some challenges with growing your channel, leveling up. I'd love to share ideas and help elevate your stream. Let's connect on Discord. Interesting. Thanks for the offer. For those of you who don't know, because you're over on YouTube, I do stream on Twitch as well. And the link is in the description. All right. So this is the supply line I would like to hold. So if I was jumping into a trade with Render right now, I would want a stop loss right below this wick at $5.10. And if I could hold that, I'd be looking for the 30% rise. Would be fantastic. Checking out the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour looks ready to go. Ready to go. It's very nice to see. So yeah, that's what I see out of Render. Anyways, it looks like we're a little light on requests, so I will be jumping out of here a bit early. Solana doing well, still continuing its ascent to the upside. Good to see. StoreJ, you're sitting above resistance. Love to see that. Let's check out Sui real fast. Sui is trying its darndest to go up again. That's insane. That's insane. But Sui's trying to break out again. I don't know who's still buying Sui right now, but good luck to all of those traders. Yeah, your demand line, if you cannot get above, you are toast. You got an hour and 54 minutes, bulls. Get it up there. Oh man, StoreJ. Looks like it's starting to fall down. No. Because it's resetting the 15. Too bad. Too bad. Too bad, so sad. Anyways, yeah. So hopefully you guys got a little bit of value out of the stream. I'm going to hop on out of here. I will be back later tonight at my normal hour, about 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm one of the few people who is willing to do that on a Friday night, mainly because I got kids. Anyways, got in GRT. I wish you the best of luck on your GRT trade. Take a look at that one more time. Ooh, it looks good. Yeah, I do like GRT right now, especially on the 15. What? Yeah, your 15-minute breaking out. The breakout is solid. Good luck on your trade, Stefan. Hopefully it goes very well for you. Also, I forgot to show you guys my StoreJ trade. It is currently up 91%. We are doing things. We are doing things. Okay, 80 cent. We're pulling back. It's fine. It's fine. Also, for the challenge, like, we're now up to $55 in this account. We're on the road to 42K, baby. We're gonna get there. It's taking a while. Don't worry about it. But yeah, Stefan, good luck on this GRT trade. Hopefully it pans out very well for you. But I believe it is a very good trade setup. I do believe. And that target is so damn high. 29 cents. I'm probably going to jump in on this thing later too. Final pump before the drop. Closed all your shorts early this morning. Jay, what is up? Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Just maybe. Holy shit. Bitcoin. Doing things. Thanks. Have a good day. See you later. Thanks, Stefan. I appreciate you. Looks like shorts are about to get absolutely wrecked. Oh my god. Alright. Well, on that note, I'm going to be calling it. I will be back later tonight just to see the devastation the shorts go through later. And then, yeah, we're going to look for a lot of trade setups that we could possibly be jumping into or holding over the weekend. And, yeah. So either way, I'll catch you guys later. If you're not a part of the Discord yet, jump into the Discord. It's a great place to be. Just a great place to be. Here's the link in chat right now. And, yeah, without further ado, I'll catch y'all later. See ya. Take it easy. A little bit of short stream is what it is. But deuces, y'all. Keep those stop losses tight.